Hello everybody, in this video we will learn how to do transitions and animations in MS PowerPoint. So you all know that how to open MS PowerPoint and how to make a slide on it. If you don't know, I have made a video on that. You can check the link in the description box. Afterwards, let's move to this video in which I'll tell you how to do animation and transitions. So as you can see, this is a presentation of 3 slides. 1, 2 and 3. So in the first slide, if I want to apply a transition effect, so for this I have to go to the transition tab. See, my cursor is moving here, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This one is the transition tab. So as you click on it, you will see several effects are there. So from this you can select any effect of your choice. So from here I am selecting this dissolve. So see, checkboard, ripple. So the effect you will apply, it will appear here. If you want more effects, you can click on this arrow. As you click on this arrow, you will see several options will also be available here. So select any one of your choice. So let's select the ripple option. So this transition has been applied on the first slide. Now let's move further to the second slide. This is my second slide. So here I am selecting this honeycomb transition effect. Similarly, in the third slide, you can select any one which you like this is rotate, this is window, this is conveyor. So there are several options, you can choose accordingly to you. I am selecting this rotate one. So now you all know how to do transitions in MS PowerPoint. It is very simple. If you want the same transition in all the slides, then you can go to this area and select apply to all. As you click to apply to all, the one transition effect will be applied to all the slides automatically. If your slide is of 30 or 50 pages, it will be automatically applied to all the 50 pages or the 50 slides. Now let's move further to the animations. So again, I am clicking on the first slide. Now for applying the animation, you have to go to this tab, animation tab, which is on the right side of the transition. So as you click on it, you will see the options are logged here. So if you want to apply, see, I'm not able to click here because they are locked. So if you want to click on these options, firstly you have to select your text or your image or your slide in which you want to apply the animation. Like I want to apply the animation in this area. If I want to apply now animation to my slide, so see, several options are again available here like split, wipe, shape, wheel. Again, for more effects you have to click on the arrow. As you click on this arrow, see, several options are again available here like fly out, float out, bounce, swivel, zoom. So whichever you will select, it will automatically be applied to your slides. This is the basic animation trick I'm telling you. Afterwards, some more animations are also there, like you can make your drawing, your own drawing of your own, and you can animate them like flying birds or moving fishes or the rolling ball. You can also create all that thing with the motion path things. It will this will be of high level. I will tell you it in the next video. So it's a very basic thing which I'm telling you today. So select anyone. I'm selecting this one, this grow and turn. Now for the second one, for the second slide, as I click on this heading outdoor games, so how do you want your heading to appear, like in a wheel format or in a shape format, or which kind of animation you like, you can select it here. Afterwards, I am applying the animation in these images. So how will I apply? Again the same process I'll repeat. I'll go to animation tab, then I'll click on this arrow and again select anyone whichever you like spin. Okay, this one is better, so let's select this. Afterwards, again coming on the third slide, first click on, see, these animation are locked. Firstly, for applying you have to click on a certain object or text, like I'm clicking on this smiley. As I click on this smiley, then afterwards you are able to select it. And again this one I'm selecting now, this I'm selecting like float in or split. Whatever you will select, it will appear like that. Now let's move to this one. This I want like I'm selecting the grow and shrink, and this one fill color. Okay, fill color I'm selecting. So select it according to you. Afterwards, when you will apply the animation, one thing you can see, like see, I will show it to you in all the slides. See, in the first slide 1 is written here, in the second slide, because it's second, so 1 is this one and the second one is this one. Again in the third slide, this is the first, this is the second, this is third, and this is fourth. Animations will come in the order you will apply them. So if as you will run the slideshow, you will see that firstly this smiley will appear, afterwards this smiley will appear, then this text, then this text. If you want this text to appear first, then you have to animate this object first. For doing this, you can do one thing, like click on this, click on animation pane. See, in this advanced animations, click on animation pane. So as animation pane will come, if you want your title should come first in this picture, so you can simply drag it to the first one. See, as I dragged it, now here 1 is written. Now you want that secondly, apart from this smiley, it should come. So again, do one thing, just drag it on, drag it here. See, I have dragged it, now it has come to the second place. Now first, second, third and fourth, so it will come accordingly. Now in this video you have learned that how to do animation and transition in very simple way. So in the next video I'll tell you how to set the duration, timings, and how you can do the certain things, like I'll show like how you can do these certain things, like with previous, after previous, and the several other animation effects which are shown here. See, like this: entrance, emphasis, exit, and motion path. These are the 4 kinds of animation effects which you can apply to your slideshow. This I will explain it to you in the next video. So just try it and be with us. Now I'll run the slideshow. For running the slideshow, I'll simply click on F5. See, I'm clicking F5. See, now our animation is running, our slideshow is running. See. So our video is done. So this is the only thing which we learned today, simple transition and animation. So keep practicing and be with us. Thank you.